Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Nili ku sekondari, seminari, Kurumbi, Sempati seminari Kurumbi. Tikapulinganga mbiri za masambiro za Raph Kasamba. Bakatenge mwana mulimbikire mzakainga Raph Kasamba. And I'll tell you the story, Solomon is here. What I heard, what we heard is that when Raph is going to Mzu's government seminar, he was going with 2 suitcases. One for clothes and one for books. I tried, but I couldn't pack enough books in my suitcase. So he inspired many, not just in law, but in engineering, commerce, everything, every other profession. So that is what made Raph. And I think the fruits of that package were that he touched many lives. At the individual level, many of us are testing here, but also at church level, I'll come to that, and the national as well. Particularly our party, Christy was giving me examples of where Raph helped us. We had the struggles to register our party, and it was Raph Kasamba who unlocked it. Many don't know this. When we had problems with the elections in 2019, we know the lawyers were in front, but there was an engine in the back room, and that was no other than Raph Kasamba. Can we clap hands for him? We all know in Malawi here, there have been moments when we have had constitutional crisis, democratic problems. Raph came in pro bono. And when I say pro bono, I mean pro bono of zero tambara. Because sometimes pro bono, which is not really pro bono. So that is what Raph was. In the church, I'll just give 2 examples. One is when Bishop Martin Mtumbuka was appointed Bishop of Karonga Diocese, there was nothing in Karonga Diocese there. He was a simple lecturer at the Catholic University. I remember Bishop reaching to a few of us, South Chilima, me and Raph, saying he found a vehicle from somewhere, it didn't have an engine, and Raph and Saulos bought an engine within hours for him. The bishop never forgets, he talks about it all the time. Father Raymond Man is here, the pastoral secretary, so I put you on the spot. When we were to have a new bishop in Mzu's diocese and a big celebration, Father Raymond Mare reached out to me. He said, how can I raise big money in a short time? I said to him, set up a WhatsApp group, put Kasamba there, and a few other people. And the rest is history. Father Raymond Mare is here. I know he's here because of that. Without much ado, let me call upon our president to also celebrate the life of Raph Kasamba. Thank you very much.
Mai Kasambara ana da kubanja onse olemekezeka andunanga kale amenenso mwakhala ndipo muli aspika a nyumba ya malamulo wakuchindikeka Mai Catherine Gotane Hara, Professor Saga amene muli pano, Reverend Matiankhoma amene muli pano, ansembe onse amene mwakhala nafe pa mwambo uwu, a Vice President, chipani cha UTM kuno ku chigawo cha kumpoto, running mate anga amenenso mukhala Vice President kuyambira pa 16 pano, members onse aku Central Committee ya chipani cha UTM muli pano, aku NEC, aku Region, lawyers onse amene ndakuonani around here, amayi ndi abambo. Ise wa chipani cha UTM tili amodzi a iwo amene tinakhudzidwa kwambiri ndi kutayika kwa Bambo Kasamba. It was a big tragedy to us. Chifukwa zinthu zake zinachitika motsogozana kwambiri. Mmene tinataya Akasamba, ena ife tinadzapita nawo ku Blantyre kuja, tinakhala nanu ku Blantyre, pamene a president athu nthawi imeneyo anali kunja, anangofika even before he unpacked his luggage. Ndi mmene amayamba ulendo bwera kuno. And indeed, unali ulendo, he never returned. And on that day, tinataya a president yathu, a former first lady, ndi anthu ena 7. Ifeyo as UTM, our grief and loss was beyond understanding, and we continue to mourn to this very day. Chifukwa ngati dziko tinataya anthu ofunikira kwambiri ku dziko lino la Malawi. Monga ena anena, Malemu Kasamba was a genius. Anali munthu wanzeru kwambiri. Ine nda speaker tinagwira nawo closely. Her Excellency Dr. Joyce Banda ali president wa dziko lino. Anali attorney general. Ine nali budget director koyambirira. Kenako nadzakhala director wa our health, as speaker ali minister of health. Timagwira nawo ntchito Akasamba akuonetsa luso lawo ndi ukadaulo wawo pa ntchito zawo za malamulo. And indeed, he was so talented and special to this nation. And he worked diligently, selflessly, with distinction throughout the period that he worked in the Malawi government. Komanso tikabwerera mbuyo before that, anaonetsa kale colors ofuna kuthandiza dziko lawo. Muzinthu was part and parcel of the victory of this nation. Tikabwera mu nthawi yoyamba chipani cha UTM, ndo chiona kuti chipani cha UTM chipita patsogolo. Malemu Kasamba was extremely instrumental in the setting up of the party. Ena anena kale kuti tichilembetse chipanichi anali Malemu Kasamba. He was anchoring up.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.